the total refurbishing and renovation work will start from March April till it will end on September, and the work is awarded to Inox again, and the tender was floated. Government of Goa, neither ESG is spending a single rupee on a renovation, and it is not a demolition of structure, and we are not going to spend a single rupee. Earlier we used to get monthly rent of 20 lakhs per month. Now it would be 54 lakhs, and for getting this done we are not spending anything. We have an incremental 5% increase every year.
ESGन पब्लिक हेल्थ आणि डेंटल कॉलेजीक बरोबर घेवन चवथो एंटी टोबॅको एडवर्टिजमेंट फिल्म कॉन्टेस्ट दवरला.
Two sections, Goa section and national section. In Goa section, the film should be in Konkani, Marathi, Hindi or English and should be produced by Goan producer or production houses. Goan individuals, students studying in Goa and educational and social institutions only can participate in this. The advertisement should not be of more than 2 minutes. In the national section, the ad film should be in Hindi or English language only and should be produced by an Indian producer or production house. Individuals or students or any educational institute or social institutions from India can participate in this. And friends, to share the theme of this fourth anti-tobacco ad film festival, ad film contest is protecting youth from industry manipulation and protecting them from tobacco and nicotine use.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.